We are assembled here. We want to celebrate ourselves in presence of you, with the help of you, with the grace of you, from the greetings from you, from wishes from you. For grand success of 15 days of singing program we carried out for fortnight, and it is very interesting. About 16 people participated. In that, there are persons like Ramadhan Reddy who sang prayers, like Tirupati Garu, Murari Garu who sang Gandasala and P.B. Srinivas sang songs. Also, Ravi Shankar Garu like that. And there are, out of 16 people, 6 people completely sang all the 15 days. It is a great clap for them, because out of that, some new entrants like Nigamji, he joined recently with us, but he has shown all his interest and enthusiasm and singing capacity. So much is involved. He's like a younger brother of mine who always asking me, what should I do, how can I do, where should I do, and all those things. I am Murari Saab. He is the other person who sang Gandasara and P.B. Srinivas.
Thank you.
Or P.B. Srinivas.
P.B. Srinivas. Prativadi Bhankara Srinivas.
Yes.
Yes, sir. And
Jai Shri Ram.
जय श्री राम सबको सामूहिक नमस्कार. नमस्कार.
our singing our playback singers range from Kundanlal Saigal, who was born in 1904, died in 1947. Except one or two fellows like me and Narayan Rao and some others, none of them even born before, they are all born after 1947. In spite of that, they have heard it and took all the pains to sit and sing the song. To the youngest fellows like Sonu Nigam, who was born in 1973. Very young man. So we had to weigh it. Out of 19 singers, only 4 are alive. 15 are no more. Our Sonu Nigam,
Kumar Sanu,
Udit Narayan, and Kerala.
Yesudas.
Yesudas is the oldest man in 1940, born 85 years. And there are these only 4 people are alive. All are no more. And many of the songs they have taken pains to go to Google's and see and search, and accordingly change the voice, learn it, like school children going for examination. This is the enthusiasm in his song. I am really happy and to say that our tribe, the singing tribe, is progressing and becoming, expanding in more and more people want to join us. One example, some months back, some fellow from Sharing Company came and asked me, sir, there is supposed to be some singing corner here. Here, someone is singing. I want to sing. So I was happy to know that our name has gone up to Sharing Company. Sharing Company. There's another person. Here is Premchandra.
He has come today.
Great man. He is the man. He is the grandfather of triplet kids. And he is from Karnataka. He is ex-ED of Nairobi Lignite Corporation. He was told that they will be singing here. He came in searching and asked, I think, Satyaprakash Gupta, someone, where are there some singing happening? And became a partner. And he sang it. And till he went to Bangalore, he sang. And today he came back.
And he used to send all the recordings to me. Thanks to sir.
What I want to say is, this is the way we do physical exercise for body. Walk, yoga, running. But mental exercise, we don't do it. This is the yoga in a way. A person who is singing here for 3 minutes, in the meditation, only is singing the song, he is involved, he is not knowing what is happening around. For 3 minutes in the meditation. And because of singing, his lung power increasing, is what you call bronchitis, or stammering, or other things are also solved. And more and more, for here, 1 hour, we forget everything. We don't worry, we don't know all the worries and all the things. We get recharged and go back. So, in a way, I want to say, I may be wrong. I wish I am wrong. That is the only place in Hyderabad where every day evening, in a park, 78 old people are coming and singing songs.
Yes, this is
Nowhere. In an open air. You can be singing in a room, you may be singing in a conference hall, you may be singing once in a week, but every day 78 singing. And no charges. If you want to, because you have to sing. Whereas if you want to sing as a professional, you have to pay for the stage, for the audience. Or if you want to sing in the house, you have to get your rifle, get ready for the heaven. We are here, all of us are very here to enjoy it. So this kind of thing happened. So in view of that one, I thank those who sang and those who heard, and to Gerwa President and those people allowing to sing a song in a corner. In London, one Hyde Park is there, very famous. You go to Google and see. There one corner is there, that is Speaker's Corner. There anyone can go and speak whatever he wants. Like that, this is Singer's Corner. Anyone come and sing the song. There are people to clap it. We will get free of cost clapper boys. We will clap. But we have to sing. So, with this background, we want to share our happiness. We need to celebrate a marriage to people, to invite the people because we are happy. That we are happy. Our 15 days continuous we are singing. So we want to celebrate and we want to share our happiness with all of you, with the singers and non-singers, everyone. Thank you.
जोर से तालियां.
You want standing ovation, sir? Please, sir, let us give him standing ovation.
Yes, yes. Celebrate.
No.
Yes, yes. जोर से.
Yes, he has contributed.
Well, the first time we did a thematic program with a theme that we would sing the
shawl kapta
playback
adi kuda
singer songs only. That's very important. Every day we have chosen one playback singer.